and it's snowing hard. We're going to another cool lookout to the Yosemite Bridge right over the river, and then we're running back down the mountain to get out of the snowstorm that we're in. Let's go on it. Keep following the trail. We're following the trail to the bridge over there. That water's probably a little bit cold. Whoa. It's getting a little icy. Wow. Have your hands ready.
Careful, I just stepped in a puddle.
Wow, I've always wanted to come here. This is cool. Didn't think it would be in a blizzard, but whatever. There she blows! Wow. Heads up, babe. Wow, look at the river all the way down. And then it falls off way over there. Alrighty.